हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम जिस सब्जेक्ट असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर की बात कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है कोर्स कोड MEG02 ब्रिटिश ड्रामा। यह असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर मास्टर ऑफ आर्ट्स इंग्लिश MEG इग्नू में जुलाई 2024 सेशन या फिर जनवरी 2025 सेशन में एडमिशन लेने वाले स्टूडेंट के लिए है। ये टोटल 100 मार्क्स का असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर है। बात करें असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर की। सेक्शन A is compulsory. Attempt any 4 questions in section B. Section A 1. Critically comment on the following passages with reference to the context, in not more than 150 words each. To die, to sleep, to sleep. Perchance to dream, aye, there's the rub, for in that sleep of death what dreams may come, when we have shuffled off this mortal coil, must give us pause. There's the respect that makes calamity of so long life. The great secret, Eliza, is not having bad manners or good manners or any other particular sort of manners, but having the same manner for all human souls. In short, behaving as if we're in heaven, where there are no third-class carriages, and one soul is as good as another. The tears of the world are a constant quantity. For each one who begins to weep somewhere else another stops. The same is true of the laugh. Let us not then speak ill of our generation, it is not any unhappier than its predecessors. I will have all my beds blown up, not stuffed. Down is too hard, and then mine oval room filled with such pictures as Tiberius took from Elephantis, and dull Aretine but coldly imitated. Section B 1. Analyze the influence of the Renaissance on the development of Elizabethan drama. 2. Explore Shakespeare's depiction of women in A Midsummer Night's Dream. 3. Critically analyze Dr. Faustus as a tragedy of human heroism. 4. How does Hamlet explore the theme of revenge? How do Hamlet's views on revenge differ from other characters like Laertes and Fortinbras? 5. How does the structure in The Alchemist, with its 3 main con artists and a series of victims, contribute to its comedic effect? 6. Examine how class and social status play a role in the characters' interactions in Look Back in Anger. How does Jimmy's working class background influence his resentment toward the upper classes? 7. The playboy of the Western world blends elements of comedy and tragedy. How does Sinji use humor to address serious themes? What is the effect of this combination on the audience? 8. How are gender roles and power dynamics portrayed in the play A Midsummer Night's Dream? Consider the relationships between Theseus and Hippolyta, Oberon and Titania, and the Athenian lovers. 9. Write short notes on any 2 of the following in about 200 words each. A. Lucky. B. Eliot's The 3 Voices of Poetry. C. Soliloquy and its dramatic significance. D. Gender issue in Look Back in Anger. अगर आपको इसका सॉल्व्ड असाइनमेंट चाहिए तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर के थ्रू कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। प्लीज डोंट कॉल मी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।